So this is a working demo of advanced event ticketing system. There are mainly three types of user: admin, check-in staff, and attendee. After admin login, he can see all the event. Admin can also add event. So the main idea of this app is after admin add the event, he can add registration form for each event. Under each registration form, admin can also create ticket, different types of ticket. He can also define the ticket name, ticket price, ticket type, etc. For example, this is a registration form which is called delegate. Under this registration form, there are different type of ticket, and this ticket has different type of price. So when the attendee visit the registration form, they see this page and they can select ticket, different quantity, and they can continue. So this is the registration form, and after attendee fills this registration form, they need to go to payment, and after they do payment, they will get a ticket containing their details and QR code. This QR code can be used to check in. So after they check in, they get a badge where all the details of them are listed. So that's the main idea of this app. Now this is the dashboard for event, where admin can add form type. Form type means the title of the form, like staff, speaker, visitor, etc. Admin can also add registration form, badge design, where admin can design the badge. Admin can add ticket, admin can add promo for different registration form. Manage credential, it's for generating credential for check-in staff. Also exhibitor visibility and import user. Here admin can import user from Excel sheet for each registration form. So for example, let's say we will add a form type which is called let's say this registration form type is employee, and this form type is already created. It's listed here. So for this form type, admin can generate registration form, admin can generate badge design, admin can generate ticket. So let's create a registration form for this employee. We go add form, select employee. We can enter details here, and there is also a form builder where admin can add short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down. Let's say we will add multiple choice. It can be marked as required or not. So these questions will be visible for attendee when they want to buy ticket. Admin can add answer options. So this is a preview of the registration form. Let's add checkbox. So after creating all the details, admin can publish the event form. So this is the form where there is no ticket yet. So let's add ticket for this event form. Here we can select the form employee. Let's fill the details for this ticket. This will be a standard ticket. Let's define price. You can select currency. Set initial stock. We can apply early bird price. So we add ticket which will be visible under registration form. It's visible here, normal pass. Early bird price is applied, which is 20. So that's it. And admin can also add badge design. Let's say the form we just created is employee. We want to create badge for employee. So this is badge field visibility. These are the field which will be shown in front part of the badge. These are the field which will be shown in rear part of the badge. You can select color for the badge. You can select badge title. You can customize different text here. So you can select the design preview. This is a preview of the badge where event logo and sponsor logo is visible. These are the fields we chose in the badge field visibility. This is the badge title, and there will be also a QR code. If you scan this QR code, the details of the attendee will be shown. So we need to create this badge design, and this badge design is available. You can check existing badge design from here. So after adding badge design, you can also add promo. Like let's say we want to promo code $50 off. You can select discount type, discount value 50%. You can add stock, let's say 20. You can also manage credential. Like for this event, they will be checking stuff. They will have username and password which they can use to log in into system, and they will have a app where they can scan QR code. You can generate credential for checking stuff. So let's generate, and this password is auto generated by the system. You can edit this password, you can copy, etc. Let's edit, make it So our registration form is ready for the attendee, so the attendee can go on to the registration form and they can buy the ticket. Let's add another ticket to the form. So if we go to the form we created, we can see all the ticket listed. This is the normal ticket, this is the VIP ticket. This ticket got early bird price. So if the attendee wants to buy 2 tickets, they can select 2 and they can apply promo code. Let's apply the promo code we just created. The discount, they got 50% discount. Continue. This is the registration form which the admin generated in the backend. These fields are mandatory. These fields will be attached to every registration form. Let's fill all the fields. So this is the ticket for normal pass. These are the details for the normal pass. And we also chose VIP pass. These details are for the VIP pass ticket. Let's fill the details. These details will be attached to badge, which will be generated later. So these are the survey questions which are generated by the admin in backend. So these are the required, which are marked with red star. This is not the required question, user can skip. And form filler is the who fill these survey questions. They need to select one of the user which is listed in this ticket generation field. So after they accept terms and conditions, they'll be landed in the payment page. They can choose PayPal, Stripe or bank. It will show them the summary of their checkout page. Let's say we'll use Stripe. Let's use a testing card here. So after the registration done, we get the invoice here with the QR code. We can also print this QR code. So also this ticket is sent to the email to the attendee. For example, the ticket and invoice both are sent to my email. This is the attachment. This is the ticket with the club details, with the event details and the QR code. This is the invoice. So after the registration done, attendee can use the QR code for check-in. So let's check the check-in module now. Let's generate credential for check-in staff, so check-in staff can log in into the system and check in the QR code. This is the check-in staff credential we already generated. Let's copy this and let's log into the system. So this is the dashboard for check-in stuff. He can scan, he can search, etc. So let's scan the QR code for the recently registered attendee. So after scanning the QR code, it shows the badge for the attendee with all the details, and these fields are configured in backend by the admin for like which badge field will be visible. These visible fields can be configured in backend, and from this window the badge can be printed directly after scan. So let's scan QR code. Now if we scan the same QR code again, it will give an error, already checked in. So one QR code cannot be used twice. Also, check-in staff can search user by name. Like he can see the details of the attendee here. Check-in staff can see the payment status of the attendee, and he can also manually check in the attendee. He can also update the payment status here. If the payment status is pending, you cannot check in because it will give you warning error, payment status is pending. So before check-in, the user must make the payment status succeeded. Now he can check in. So this is the dashboard for check-in stuff and all the features included in the check-in stuff module. Let's go back to the admin panel. There is also import user function where you can select the file and you can import user. So let's check the attendee list which we just checked in. If we go employee list, we can see all the attendee list here. One of them checked in, one of them didn't check in. Both of their payment status succeeded. You can see payment method used Stripe, ticket type, and the user details, etc. You can print a badge, print invoice in case the attendee lost their ticket and stuff. You can select more details of the attendee. You can update their payment status, check-in status. You can also see the survey answer which they fill during the registration. You can delete user, you can update user here. Next, there is option to modify data, like you can modify event data here. You can modify form. This is the form we built. This is the form builder. Question 1 was multiple choice. You can remove this option. These are the options here. You can add more option. You can make it required. You can remove option. The form is saved. Now if we go to the form, we will see the survey form is updated. There's new option, not sure, and another option is removed here. So this registration form builder is completely custom. You can also modify badge design. If you select employee, these are the fields we chose. We can add more details here. The design preview, it includes more information. If you want to remove the email, just untick email, it will be removed. If you want to remove from rare part, you can also remove from rare part. You can change the color type. The color is changed. You can choose for different form. You can customize the badge design from here. You can update the promo code. For example, let's modify the promo code we had. We can reduce the discount value to 20%. The stock is 19 because one stock is already used. Also there are reports like attendee report, check-in report, scanned badge report, revenue report, and survey report. The revenue report will show you the total sale of the ticket. For example, let's say these are the form types. This is the form type we recently created. Our income is 110 here. Tax is 11. Revenue is this much. There is also a settings page where you can update address, bank details, invoice details, and payment details. Usually invoice details, bank details, and address, this information will be visible in invoice, and the payment details, you can add your Stripe key, PayPal, client ID, so all the funds will be automatically added to your account. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Thank you everyone for watching this event ticketing system. Thanks.